In this video, I'll guide you through how to check your invoice history on Cursor AI. We'll go through each step slowly and clearly so that by the end, you'll know exactly where to find your past invoices whenever you need them. Let's start from the very beginning, which is signing into your Cursor account. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the Cursor website. On the home page, look for the option to log in or sign in, usually found at the top right corner of the screen. Click that, then enter your usual login details. Take a moment to double check what you type to avoid simple errors, like an extra space in your email or a typo in your password. Once everything looks correct, go ahead and sign in. After you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to your main Cursor dashboard or workspace. From here, we want to move into your account settings. Look for a settings option, which is often represented by a gear icon or labeled clearly as settings. This might be in the sidebar, at the bottom of a menu, or under your profile picture or initials at the top corner. Click on settings to open up your account configuration area. Inside the settings section, the next place you want to go is billing. This is where Cursor keeps all of your subscription and payment information organized. Look for a tab or menu item labeled billing. It might appear alongside other sections like account, workspace, or preferences. Once you see billing, click on it. This will take you to the part of your account dedicated to your payment methods, plans, and financial details. From the billing area, you'll need to open the billing portal. The billing portal is typically a separate, secure page that manages your charges, subscriptions, and invoices in more detail. On the billing screen, look for a button or link that says something like Open Billing Portal or Manage Billing. It may stand out visually as a primary button. Click that and the system will usually redirect you to a new page or pop up a window dedicated specifically to billing management. Give the billing portal a moment to load. Once you're in, this is where you'll find everything related to what you've paid and what you're being charged for. Within this portal, your goal is to locate the section for invoices. Different portals label this slightly differently, but you're typically looking for a tab, menu item, or section called Invoices or Invoice History. It may appear along the top of the page or in a side menu alongside options like Payment Methods, Subscriptions, or Transaction History. Click on Invoices or Invoice History. This is the page where all your past billing records are stored. Here you should see a list of your previous invoices, usually with dates, amounts, and status information such as paid or pending. Many portals also let you click into an individual invoice to see more details or download it as a PDF for your records, expense reports, or accounting needs. If that's available, feel free to open an invoice and look around so you know what kind of information is included. And that's all there is to it. You signed into your Cursor account, went into settings, opened the billing section, launched the billing portal, and then navigated to invoices or invoice history to see your past charges. Once you've reviewed what you need, you can simply close the portal or navigate back to your main Cursor workspace and continue using the app as usual.